Hello and welcome. You're tuned into Your Trades with me, Ankita Saxena, and with me is Mansi Dave. In the next half an hour, we'll take you through how the markets shaped up at today's trading session and what are the important cues to watch out for in tomorrow's session. But first up, today's market session, Mansi, another lackluster day coming in. We are very range bound. In fact, absolutely, Mansi, tomorrow the main important thing is the MPC meet, and because there is a divided opinion on whether they will be maintaining a status quo or some pocket of the market that feels that there should be a 25 bits rate cut. So it's a divided house, so that's something that we'll be watching out for. But for now, let's get on board Ajit Mishra, the SVP of Research at Religare Broking, who's joining us to weigh in on the markets. Hi Ajit, good afternoon to you and thank you so much for joining us. Ajit, yet another lackluster day of trade. In fact, we are very, very range bound. There are no positive triggers. But what are the levels that you're watching out for on Nifty and Nifty Bank?
Yeah, good afternoon, Ankita. Good afternoon, Mansi. So yes, Ankita, this is not new. Means from last 5 weeks, we are seeing this trend continuing. Means the first three sessions of the week, largely they are lackluster, a dull move, volatile swings, something which continues. And then in the final session, Thursday, Friday, the negative trend resumes. So on a similar line, means yesterday it was an up session. Today we have surrendered all the gains. So the good part is for the bulls that we are trading around the medium-term moving average 100 EMA, which is placed around 24,600 mark. We have put writers also very aggressive at this level. So somehow we are trying to defend this level, but upside still I feel that we have multiple resistances to cross. Means the first hurdle comes around 24,800, and once we cross that, 25,000. So as of now, the bias system on the negative side is just that we are taking a breather every now and then. But one should not jump into a trade basis on a single day bounce like what I have shared earlier also. One should wait for a decisive close of 24,800 for any meaningful recovery towards 25,000. And in case if we slip below 24,600, then 450 is something that we are eyeing in the bank, Nifty index. Banking, on the other hand, we are seeing gradual drift because earlier we were seeing that HDFC and ICICI, they were holding strong, which was keeping the banking index above the short-term averages. But from the last 4 or 5 trading sessions, we are seeing gradual drift. So here also we are very close to the immediate support zone, which is around 54,900 mark. So that's critical. In case if there's any bounce, 56,400 will be the area where banking is going to face resistance. So as of now for banking also, one should wait for any fresh buying opportunity. Means any dip toward, let's say, 54,900. That's the area basically where one can look to attempt a rebound trade for 56,000 as the immediate target.
So this is the view on the indices. Both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty did see a lot of volatility throughout the session. Ajit, good afternoon. What will be the trading ideas for the session next?
Right, Mansi. So, see, amid all this negativity, we are still seeing, stocks from across pockets wherein there's a consistency, there's strength. They are trading at the record highs. So, one name from the auto basket, M&M. So, it's been almost 2-3 months of consolidation, and now we are seeing sign of trend resumption. So, stock is anyways trading closer to its record high. So, it's more of a time-wise correction that the stock is currently experiencing. And we expect this to end soon, and 33.20 is something that we are eyeing. So with stop at 31.60, one can accumulate M&M at current levels. Other stock from the metal basket, though we are seeing volatility in the metal pack, but here the recovery is swift, and those who are okay with taking slightly higher risk, they can consider this stock for long trades. Jindal Steel, wherein we are seeing outperformance on every uptick. And 1,040 is what we are eyeing in the near future. So with stop at 980, one can accumulate Jindal Steel also at current levels.
Right. So two picks there, two bullish calls coming in on M&M and Jindal Steel. On that note, Ajit, thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us today. But let's go across to my colleague Shrishti, who's standing by with the technical charts of breakouts and breakdowns.
Keep an eye on that and also give you the reviews of the same. Well, on that note, we wrap up this segment of Your Trades, but there's a lot lined up on the other side, so you stay tuned with ET now. Thank you.